because I wanted to say, so in the Philippines they have this, it's like a, what would you say, it's customary, it's normal for testing electrical items, and we don't really do that a lot in the UK.
At bumili si Adrian dumating dito parang siya pa mag-company ng bahay. So, tingnan nyo lang yung ano ni Adrian, puro kagat na siya ng lamok, babe. Show it. You know, dami niya ng kagat ng lamok. Yan. Good job, babe. Kanina naglilinis siya ng CR, hindi.
Very, very curious to see. Was it necessary to pack the wine like this?
What? Natatawa siya dito. Azamba. Natatawa siya sa pag-pack ng wine na ganito. Kasi naka-usling ganito daw. Maybe he's afraid to lay the wine. That's why.
Space.
Maybe not much space. I will get scissor. I forgot to buy new scissor, babe.
Yeah.
Tapos, maybe is this not, wait, they're taking this away in the fridge.
No, babe, that was me.
Okay, do you want me to take this out?
Take it out, please.
So, tingnan natin ang mga napamili natin. Ganun nga natin para medyo malayo. Ayan, guys, ang aming mga pinamili. What is that for?
To put under here.
Bumili siya kasi yung silyo namin maingay. Very good. Are you going to put this?
Yeah.
Good job, babe. Kaya bumili siya ng pang ano. Ng pang... Ganito, ayan. Kakabit niya sa...
What one should we put on these?
Kakabit
I think
niya.
I've got big ones.
So, tingnan nyo lang yung ano ni Adrian. Puro kagat na siya ng lamok, babe. Show it. You know, dami niya ng kagat ng lamok. Mo. Kawawa naman. May nilalagay kami dyan eh. So, don't scratch it, babe, ha? So, ilalagay niya yung sa paa ng... Nilalagay niya parang nga naman hindi...
Round ones and square ones.
Square ones.
Yeah.
Parang hindi maingay. Ang ingay kasi ng mga silya.
2, 4, 6. No, just one. I won't be able to do black ones on all of them. I'll have to do some round.
I forgot to buy cushion for the... May foam yung aming sofa, kaya lang eh. Medyo ano na. Medyo hindi maganda yung ano. Kaya bibili kami. Late na kasi kami lumabas. Kaya hindi na namin nabili yung ano na sofa. Yung ano na. Ang ina. Nanonood yung amang ko ng cellphone. Bakit di ka nanood ng TV, ama? Hindi mo pinabuksan yung TV para nakapanood ka, mang. Hindi ako narinig. Mahina na. I said square and then you put... I said square and then you put na.
Yeah, but I don't have enough for...
Oh, I see. It doesn't make noise now.
slide.
It doesn't make noise now.
Yeah, but it doesn't slide, it's sticky.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The one you get in the UK is sticky. It's not slide.
The ones we've got in the UK don't have this. Like, this is like
It's thick.
rubber. But it's okay.
Yeah,
Just
it doesn't
needs,
make
it's a bit-
doesn't make noise. Good job, babe. Very good. Yan. So guys, ito, bumili kami ng tinapay. Amang, may tinapay dito, oh. Binili kita, may tinapay dito. Ayan, may tinapay. Ito yung paborito mong tinapay, eh. Ayaw mo ng gardenia. Tapos, ayan, bacon. Bacon ni Adrian. Bacon. 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 Ang ganda ng ano ko. Ang ganda ng kuko ko, guys, kasi nagpa-service ako dito ng ng manicure. Gel siya. Nagpa-service kami ni Riona. Tapos tomorrow naman magpapa-service ako ng ng massage. Kasi meron dito kami kilala na nagmamasahe, magaling. So, yun. Pa-service kami ni Adrian. Maganda kasi hindi na kailangang lumabas kahit umuulan. So, ito yung bacon ni Adrian. Dalawa, bumili siya. Lagay natin sa freezer.
I'll put your bag over there, babe.
Okay, thank you. Tapos bumili ako nito. Nakyutan kasi ako sa lead. Ayan, ayan. Bumili ako niyan. Ayan, magtatambo naman si Adrian. Tambo. Yan. Good job, babe. Kanina naglilinis siya ng CR, hindi ko na na-vlog. Nililinis niya yung malinis naman, kaya lang merong stain. Pinapuputi niya, tinatanggal niya yung nilagyan niya ng product yung stain. Sa kasi, sa dating gripo yung basin kasi, meron siyang gripo. Luma na, nag-stain siguro yung gripo dun. Kaya, yun ang tinatanggal ko ang ngayon eh. Natanggal ko, tapos sabi niya, ako naman sa isa. Bumili ako nito, guys. Oh. Siguro maganda to, katulad ko minamalat. Ay, bumalik ng boses ko kasi sa pagod at puya. Siguro sa pagod yun. So, binili ko to kasi pinamigay ko na lahat ng chocolate na dala ko. Tapos yung iba na iwan namin. So, parang na-miss ko. Pero, namili ako. Namigay, tapos walang natira sa akin. So, yan. Lagyan natin sa rep. I don't like the fridge that it always Red Horse. Tapos, ayan, bumili kami ng Coke Zero. Parang ang hirap hanapin ng Coke Zero. Dito. Ayan, Coke Zero. Wala silang yung malaki ba na yung parang ganto. Yung isang buong ganto na maramihan na ganto. Wala silang ganto. Kaya ito lang nabili namin. Tsaka ito. Royal Zero. Good job, babe. Okay. Tsaka bumili si Adrian ito. Yan. Tsaka ito para pag may bisita siya. Yan. At ito din. Holiday ni Adrian, kaya si Adrian ay ang daming beer.
Hope they just didn't get a vlog of my phone.
Sana daw di ko na-vlog feed niya. Okay, alitin natin. Kasi tuwad siya ng tuwad dito eh. Builder's bomb. Yung builder's bomb, baka makita. So, ito, bumili siya nito. Ayan. Pag may bisita, bumili din siya nito. Ayan. Holiday ni Adrian, guys. Kaya, pagbigyan natin siya. Pakasipag naman ni Adrian. Pinuno niya yung, nilagyan niya ng hindi na nga naman tutunog, diba? Tapos, bumili si Adrian ng pandikoko. Amang, bumili kami pandikoko. Gusto mo? Bumili kami pandikoko. Gusto mo? Masarap tong tinapay na to. Tara dito. Busog daw siya. Tapos, good job, babe. Ayan, nagtatambo pa siya. Tapos, bumili kami nitong storage sa namin, sa bedroom. Sa bedroom namin na yung mga gamit namin doon kulang ng lalagyan. Kaya, yun sa kwarto ko. Very, sturdy. Mukha siyang matibay talaga. Pakita ko sa inyo si Adrian. Yan, Nag... Nagtatambo. Naghahanap nga kami ng vacuum kanina. Wala kami nakita. Yan. Bumili pala siya ng monitor para pag-work niya. You bought the monitor. Where is your monitor, babe?
Just there by that.
Tapos, ayan, si Adrian, sipag naman, babe. Sipag. Very good, babe. Tapos, bumili kami nito sa CR para saka sa balcony sa taas para pag umulan, madali siyang anuhin. Ito muna, saan ba? So, eto, bumili kami nito sa bumili kami nito para sa CR. Para madali siya matuyo, no? Wala kaming makitang mahaba. Para sa balcony din, pagka inano namin sa taas, madali siyang linisin. Yan, madali siyang linisin. Pasensya na kayo narinig yung amang ko nakikinig ng parang radyo. Yan. At ito naman, ang ganda. Ang ganda nito, ang laki, oh. Ang haba pa. Oh. Na-extend siya. Kaya maaabot mo talaga yung mga alikabok. Tapos, ayan, bumili din si Adrian ng ensaymada. Tapos, patitigman ko sa kanya ang ube. At, ano pa ba yan, babe? Egg pie. Patikman natin sa kanya. Si Riona, guys, busy-busy sa mga pinsan niya, kaya hindi namin nakakasama lagi. Kanina, umalis na naman siya kasama niya yung mga pinsan niya. Kanina, umalis na naman si Riona kasama niya mga pinsan niya. Kumain sila sa cafe. Nag-cafe sila, tapos kumain sila sa Tapos nagpunta sila sa convention, sa mga market dun. May market at night dun, mga ano-anong pagkain. Ano ba yung camera ko? Yan. But it's called mouse pad.
Mouse mats.
Oo. Ang maganda kasi meron siyang ganito. May stop yung minsan kasi pag nag-edit ako, nakahiga ako. Kaso wala dito yung table. So nakahiga ako. Pag gumaganon siya, nag-i-stop yung niya, yung mouse. So maganda. Madadala ko to sa UK. Nakakatuwa. Diba guys? Dito pa ako nakakita ng nakakatuwa. Nabili namin to sa Mr. DIY. At bumili si Adrian. Si Adrian dumating dito para siya pa mag-company ng bahay. Okay, tapos ito, ayan, acrylic sealant. Para sa mga crack sa bathroom o dito sa tatapalan niyang Yan. Holiday ni Adrian, it's your holiday. And what we doing in the holiday is stressful a bit. It's holiday and then we're fixing the house. We're supposed to relax, but it's alright. Okay, bahay naman namin. O, sige. Tapos, ito ang ngayon nga. Nabili namin to, tsaka ito.
I'm gonna relax now, babe.
Is that what you call relaxing? Wow!
Nakaka-relax naman.
Among is relaxing with this radio. This radio very loud. And you got this, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
So you just divide it like this.
Okay. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, para nga ito saan. Mamaya ko na yan. I will do it. I know how to do it, but I'm just in a hurry.
You, I was just coughing.
Ay, ayun na naman. Maingay na naman yung tangkay ng tubig namin. Basta pag nagre-refill na siya ng tubig, ganun siya kaingay. Ganun ba talaga kaingay yun, guys? Ano ba ang maisasuggest nyo sa aming tangkay? Let's try this. Cheers, guys. Holiday. Holiday, mommy duty pa rin tayo. Naglilinis sa akin. Yung iba, ilang araw na ako din nakakapag-video. Basta video lang ako na video. Sa ako na siguro i-upload. Sa ako na siguro i-upload. Ang ingay ng lalo na pag walang pinto. Para to sa bathroom ni Riona sa taas. Ayan. Meron siyang doon eh. May heater din doon. Yung umuwi kami, nakaraan, yun ang ginagamit namin sa taas. Doon kami nag-stay ni Adrian kasi may balcony doon. Hindi ko pa napapakita kasi masyadong busy kami, guys. Tapos may heater din doon. Sa niya, maganda nga yung banyo niya doon eh. Tapos dito kami sa baba, nagpalagay din kami heater para kay Adrian nga. Pero hindi ko masyadong ginagamit kasi mainit ngayon. Ginagamit ko tabo at tubig para sa poso. Sa gripo. Poso. Sa gripo. Ito, bumili si Adrian ng, ayan, para sa langaw minsan. Napapasok pa rin ng langaw. Tapos yung LED na nilagay ni Adrian para sa sa TV, nalalaglag. So baka ito, maganda tong tape na to para kumapit doon sa LED na nabili niya. Yan. Ito, kay Adrian siguro to. Cable tie. Bumili niya. Ano kaya ba ang asawa ko talagang magkukumpuni dito ng bahay namin. Yan. At, ayan, hanger. Nakabili na nga kami ng 3 ganito ng hanger na white. Tapos, ito pa. Yan. Pag naglalaba kasi sila, ang ingay talaga. Ang
Did you buy
ingay.
any snacks?
We did not buy any snacks. Hangers, guys. Hanger. Nakakatakot naman to. Nahawakan ko. Takot na takot ako. Nakakita pala siya. You saw one.
Yesterday.
Where did you buy this?
Where did I buy it?
Yeah, this one.
Ace.
Nakakita siya para sa EP. Scary. You don't wanna see that. The photo is scary. Picture pa lang nakakatakot na. Dito sa loob, wala naman. Pero isang araw nakatayo kami doon sa baba, dyan sa labas, sa terrace. Na ano ako, may lumipad. Yan, Matt Carriona, sa taas. Ito yung binili ni Adrian na monitor para sa kanyang work. Kasi merong time na mag-work siya dito, guys. Kasi medyo matagal ang aming bakasyon.
Yeah, so I could have got one for as cheap as 3,800. But it was like a brand I'd never heard of. It was like the first one he pointed me to. And then, yeah, there were 3 other options, like an AOC, an LG, or a Philips. And yeah, this was like 4,400.
4-4. So yun nga guys, nabanggit ko nga Adrian will work here kasi we will have a long holiday, so he's allowed to work here. And I am very grateful that his company allowed him to work here.
Yeah.
Good job. Because you're the one who's
Yeah. Because I wanted to say, so in the Philippines, they have this, it's like a, what would you say? It's customary, it's normal for testing electrical items. And we don't really do that a lot in the UK. And I was quite surprised because I almost walked out the shop. He said, do you want to test it? And I said, no. And then, I know I've told you this story before, you're hearing it again, but I'm doing it for the vlog. So yeah, he asked me if I wanted to test it, and I said no, because I'm not really used to it. And then I asked him about the warranty, and he started saying things like, oh, you've got 7 days to bring it back, and then there's a warranty. And he said something like, but if there's a problem with it, we need to send it back to the supplier, and that could take up to 30 days to fix it. And then I was thinking, well, I don't have 30 days to wait. I need it working straight away. So then he'd already wrapped it, and I said, oh, I'm really sorry, but do you mind checking it? And then he opened it up, checked it, and then it had like a really one big thick black line running down it. It was broken, and everyone was like really surprised. And they're like, oh, can't believe it, it's broken. Got another one down off the shelf, went to test that one, and then that had dead pixels in the corner. So yeah, third monitor after checking it, this one's all right. But really, yeah, really worth checking it. I'm really grateful that that was done, because imagine if I'd have brought it home and it had a line in it. It's such a hassle to take it back to the shop. So it's got a stand which we won't use, so that's just going to go under the bed or something.
I will show you one time when it's finished, when you put your working area.
Yeah. And then it comes with an HDMI cable, which is good because I need it.
I'm listening in the kitchen.
So anyway, that's just a normal HDMI cable. And then, yeah, 24 inches, like 100 megahertz, which I don't need for work, but yeah, it's cheap, but it's nice. You should see the quality of the screen, it's really nice.
Nice.
That'll be nice for work. Take all that plastic off it when it's up. But for now, all I wanted to do need to put this on it, and fingers crossed that fits.
Yeah,
And then-
you have a hanging thing.
Yeah. And then more fingers crossed that I actually have some screws that fit it. Because if I don't, I'll have to go out and buy some.
So you guys, and then my niece is there too. She's waiting for us because we will order tonight.
Okay.
Because it's hard sometimes when we need to. It's easy when I send her the photo, but it's nice when she knows. Oh, this is the measurement. You know.
Yeah.
Meron pa kami ordering kasi sa Lazada. We order some shoes. Sit.
So yeah, happy days. Look at that, all ready to go.
Perfect. So that's for Orna, guys. Thank you for watching.